Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love guys, blessed love. Welcome to another video of Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, we're here spreading the love, showing the love and doing the right thing. We stand for righteousness and that's how we treat. You know, so you know my first stop in the morning here. I have to get to Iber Spice, you know, to get myself that hot chocolate and busy tea and get some munchies, get a smoothie, and then we're gonna hit the road and go get some. I'm gonna get some material today for Chargy, Cranberry and the family. But first, I have to start off my day with some hot chocolate and busy tea. You know, with some fried breadfruit and plantain, you know, from Iber Spice. And for who wanna know where Iber Spice is located, it's 131 Orange Street, that's downtown, you know, 131 Orange Street. So that's not, it's not down in Orange Street, it's up Orange Street. So it's 131 Orange Street. And you can't miss it. Once you see the Rasta color, you cannot miss it. You know? Oh, you will miss it. Football, you know. See the big up yourself, man. More blessing. Finally. Yeah.
No man, not man. You better not say that word you go there, man.
Oh, maroon man. Okay.
Last time I said Esther and I can't imagine Esther.
No, look. That's Esther. No, look. Yeah, come get the special, you know, chocolate and busy tea. Okay. Come like you have something that's shocked already then. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to get mine instead, you know. No day can pass. Yeah man, respect man, yeah.
They say Cranberry for your put that. You know it's going to make me wake up to when I go to Spanish school now.
Gracie.
And after Alicia, we got the two brothers.
Yeah, the black brothers, it's Gracie. Yeah, which name? Nikisha, jeans, every time I say myself, what a blessed little girl. That's true man, Nikisha, yeah.
Man, I did that shame.
Yeah, if I come back, but I see them as yet. So, yeah, now go over there soon still, come bring the machine there as well too. In the machine there are wheelchair where we get the motorized one.
Yeah, I say I got the place where like an that equals.
Yeah. So
she helped you enough because she pack up some of the things already, you know.
Yeah, true.
And someone go from the upstairs
over Esther side, that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Definitely. Respect, man. Yeah, man. Alright, then. Cool. Yeah. Alright, then. Big up, yeah. Alright guys, so I finished with my hot chocolate tea. I finished with that and I got myself a beetroot and I also got myself a smoothie. Yeah, so that's my starter for the day. To go and do my runnings. So that will start me up for the day. So I will just have this smoothie now, and then I will have the beetroot after. And that can literally kind of, you know, start up my engine so I can go traction right now. So let's go pick up 30 grand them and just head up by the hardware now. I'm gonna go meet charge at the hardware so I can literally just buy the stuff them for him, you know, and make him put it in a taxi and then take it up, you know. So that's the mission. So I'm gonna pay for the stuff that he needs right now, like the paint, the sink for the kitchen, and also the ply as well too. Yeah, so I'm gonna make him pay for the sink, the ply, and the paint. Yeah, and get him up there. Alright guys, so we're here by Papine, you know, on Garden Town Road, walking into the hardware because I think charging them supposed to reach right now because we've been waiting for them. So we're just gonna walk inside and see if them reach. So we can order the stuff then. Oh, there. Alright, so easier.
Yeah. Tara, actually,
One Tara.
Tara.
Yeah.
Tara.
I supply alone.
Tara.
You know when other boat to go with the ply?
No.
Okay, just that check. And the sink.
The sink.
I say get the paint?
Yeah, man, everything.
3 can of paint. I get 3. I get one quart black for the door as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, one quart. I get one quart black aisle for the door.
And the thing, the purple, good for the kitchen door, you know.
The purple.
Yeah.
But it's easy for that for nasty up still. Yeah. You want something where the nasty up can stay, you know? The black will last. From the market, you know, scratch it. Ah, cool. Work? Don't you work?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Ready?
Evening. Alright, Tara.
Two of the purple or the pink, you know, the aisle. Yeah, one to the pink in the aisle.
Yeah, the pink in the aisle. And the purple as well too in the aisle. Two pink, you say?
Two, yeah.
And one purple.
No, they have to mix it, man. Yeah, they mix it.
Yeah. And the quad tile black to the door. And when you can't make the kids them paint and waste the paint on them strip them. No, I say when the paint not go on, you can't make Cranberry and paint and waste the paint like what them always do. Eh? Or the sink. Now one small one like this. Yeah, this. Yeah, this.
This one is nice because this one is quite tough. Me that tell you?
Yeah.
This can work.
I'm going to call Baja quick and get the size.
This are the 1 foot on the margin that are
1 foot 1 1. Yeah. So that's good. Yeah, I need the weight in the feet as well too. Yeah.
And then I have the pipe down for yard, I just clean them for going on. I have the pipe down myself.
Yeah, so
we connect it up there now, we're fitting down, we connect it up.
I'm sorry about that. So you want 2 inch and a half elbow, you take this 2 inch and a half elbow, and what?
Male adapter?
Yeah. Male adapter for the drain? Female. For the drain. And that's one sheet of the treated ply. One with the glue, right? Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You have male and?
Yeah, some name from 3 inch, but maybe you have from
2
inch.
2 inch, it's a 3 inch amount. 2 inch nail. But how much 2 inch? Pound? Yeah. Just them that alone? I call them back when we reach the counter, Yeah. One of our... One slip browning. Well, that's not slim browning still. Slim browning, that's not slim browning, you know what she means? A film phone and break up. Tell him same signal bad.
The signal bad. You want to take same one picture but me not hearing.
Alright, so here's what's gonna happen now, guys. This is the we pay $18,573. This is for the waste basket, you know, for the sink, for the ply, you know, and the pipings for the kitchen. So the person who to make the paint, you know, they're not here today, so if we come back tomorrow. So basically the paint will come to about so basically the paint will probably come up to about 22,000. She said, because she gave me a rough price of 25, but she said tomorrow it will be a discount tomorrow, so probably about say 22,000. So we're just going to pay for the ply and get the sink and get the pipings and all stuff there right now. And then tomorrow now, Charlie is going to come pick up the paint as well too. So we're going to take the piping and the pipe and the kitchen sink and the ply which is the price for 10,500. You know, for the price. Kind of groove one, something like tea something, you know, so that one is more expensive. So that's the one that we're gonna use, you know. So pressing them right here. So here we are.
You know, this is part. Should I put up the pipe come up?
Oh no. Yeah. To the faucet.
So the price then.
How much for that?
You put on the 4-inch pipe. Then you put 2 4-inch. You can put 2 4-inch coupling on the
You need that?
Yeah, 3 4-inch pipe. And put 2 4-inch coupling. Not the coupling, the bend, not the coupling, the elbow. Yeah. Thread tape. Yeah, the thread tape on the handle. You want a little one? No, I don't know. A little thread tape on it.
Hello, yes, I'm
6,900. So I'm going to pay 6,900 more for the. What? You would pay another $6,881 for the faucet. Yeah, so this is where we pay another. So
now 2 to 1.
yeah.
And now 229. So 119.
So we'll just pay another $6,881 for the faucet. Faucet and our next blend and the kanji. So those are the stuff we just forgot a while ago. You know, so for the first, so what we spend now is what, 18 and the 6, so 25,000 we spent already. And then tomorrow now even need that 22,000 for the paint. Yes, about that. And that will give that recharge the Cranberry them from the case. Then the outside for color.
Apply.
Yeah.
How the outside, we keep the white one, the pink one here. Then them are good.
Come say that truck you have need?
I don't really want that truck more than something like that. Sorry.
The taxi can bring it up there.
Yeah, taxi can carry it.
Yeah. Get one of them pro box.
Everyone, where go on? Where I go? Here you go now.
Yeah, let's jump
Like I go up the road.
yeah, man, you can't mind here. Hey, man, you want money, I go charge you and I go pay me. So
One fly and a fire. Talk your mind now, man.
Well, everything on this there. Are the best piece that? Are the best piece that piece that look?
A piece of the pen up top. That we like to have a look of belly in there. Drop it flat, yeah.
Charge it.
Move.
I take the t-shirt, man. Smell the water, the wetness. Hold it now. Hold some.
It's wet.
Just leave it long, someone. Yeah. Delegation. Yeah, remember. You need chocolate. I'm sorry. It's so easy, I got to go. Yeah. Come on. Side. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's Tara? What's Tara?
Is that on? Yeah.
Yeah, I roll with him? Yeah. Alright, we're catching up there then.
Yeah.
Come on, bring that. Come in, Ken. Come. Alright, so the truck is going to bring up the ply and we're going to drive up. Charge is going to be on the truck, so we're going to drive up. Come here for. Eh?
So she moving like this. On the back, she lives between us.
Oh.
Yeah, the bone on the back of town.
Yeah, the truck there. Yeah, the truck there, you know. You hear?
Okay, right, that's what that'd be the best thing.
No, cause remember I said the man I go different direction.
Oh, the ups and the up.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to go up on the hills of meet him. Come in now. Come and go get that and come back.
Come on, you make me walk up and down, you know. Look at him over there. I think we should have get the stick first. You know what, you know? One of them should have get the stick. But he never have to come back out. My ball is supposed to over the fan is gate. That's him supposed to over there. There's up in the door for money and more. One tire. What?
Alright guys, so we have to go up at the top part of the road. We park on this side, so we have to go up on the top of the road now to help bring down the ply. Because the truck is going to drop it off up there. Cranberry! Oh. Cranberry! Thought you gonna sleep like this, so. Oh, yeah? Oh. Oh, what's up there? Look at this view, guys. Look at the view. Big foundation. Yes. Well, black here, go on, man. Truck just reach. See there?
Yo! Yo!
Black here. Yo. Ah, go on.
Never had a pot, Georgie.
What's that?
Yeah, what's up? Forgive off, you know, man. Forgive off, you know, bro.
You say, them fitness and the need.
Need it, man.
You need the fitness.
Flat to live pan, no tea, man. I know for the hill thing, you know. Flat to live pan, flat.
So you say the body need exercise, though?
Holy. There's a deal. Yeah.
Body need.
You sit from what they now come from, man.
That is the view from here. Trust me, so imagine the view from up here. Look on the view. Wow, you're tired, man. Oh, chef crawling up the hill. And there's the higher hill up there. There's a higher hill. Up there is Jack's Hill. You know, you're looking at Jack's Hill up there. You know, we're down here. So this road take you all the way to Maryland. That's what it all the way. Follow this road go all the way up to Maryland. Alright, so we're gonna bring on the ply. Alright, whoa, turn back. Turn back. Them a come this way.
Nice, man.
So you can turn back.
In a position to make black.
The lads said thou shall not touch. Say if you touch, you have to pay me.
Yes, and him a touch and not pay.
Eh.
Charge it! Oh, Kenny Shop. Say him a come with the pipe. Kenny Shop! Well, they must have bring the pipe.
Yes, dance, you know. This will be still your friend.
Yes, mommy. Take your time, boom. Watch the entire. 30 grand a compatible, sir?
Yeah, man.
Almost there. Take your time. Take your time. So the foundation in my build up. This look like a 1 bedroom. Rest it. Wow, you want switch?
No, man, I don't change one change that.
Oh, but me want switch? Wow. The boom and rest. It's heavy though.
No, man, can't wait enough.
So tomorrow now charge will go on and get the paint in our car. It's a mixed paint, so the person who mixed the paint already gone home. So tomorrow now you get the paint, rest of stuff. And then that will complete half the inside of the house and everything. So Baja will come up here now one of these days. Huh? The wild? Oh, what farm do you have? So, hold on. So guys, so here is the ply now, finally reach the top. So this is what Baja is going to use now to make the counter, to make the kitchen counter. Charge, I already have some lot already that he's going to use. Yeah. It's really a mission. Hey, coming up the hills, it's really a mission, trust me. It's really a mission. So alright then guys, so we give thanks, you know, so we get that out the way and everything. 30 grand now away. 30 grand away, say Aki. Hey, so rice and peas and Aki. But the man a climb it.
Wow. Come in up here.
30 grand, man, you drop, you know.
Drop them, drop them. No, drop man, genius, man. I'm a genius. Serious dead man, guy that can't hold. I got them up there.
Man like a real monkey.
When they ready to cook up, you got about 2 of them there.
Yeah man, I see them man, I see the whole of them.
Nothing now left. Aki. There's a rice and peas and Aki. Red or in.
Yeah.
So here the menu for tomorrow, rice and peas and Aki with the red or in. That's supposed to be bad. Aki branch coming down. Oh, see there. Aki police. To one run gun on the hill. Wow. Aki police. Drop them this direction, yeah. Real Aki police. Yeah, I want a stick. See stick there.
No.
I'm on the rat. Oh no. It's a two-eye Aki. Charger, you put them one right here, sir?
No, I may put them in the one.
Oh. Oh, you want to cook them here? Wow. See them at home. Now put them in our bag.
Yeah, put them in my bag.
Yeah. Try some peas and hacky with red in.
So one day I look at you, 30 guys.
Huh?
It's supposed to go there now.
Oh, for you?
Yeah. You just pick up them one and left one and done.
Check them in there, buy one.
Wow, say 6 in there, 3 months, so.
Yeah, man, one of them take up this in.
Yeah, it's in the bag.
One of them there.
Wow, some more come down here.
That's going to be there, tree. And I will leave the machine up.
Let them come in with stick.
Use the sticker and push it off.
Oh yeah, shoot them off, yeah.
I thought you work the stick. I think you're gonna work the stick up there. I thought you're gonna climb, you know. The man said rice and peas. Yeah, man, I'm bad for the climb, man. Man said rice and peas and red wine tomorrow with Aki. Hey, big meal that the man cook tomorrow, yeah? You ever tried that before? You ever eat rice and peas with red wine with Aki? Hey, that bad. You get got to go on any tree and climb it, man. Aki police! Oh, this one.
Chop it down from where you chop it down, you know. Yeah, that woman tell me. That woman tell me, brother.
Can't chop down while bring food, man. Yeah. That be your food, so you can't chop it down. That is it.
That is it.
Work for your food tomorrow, Toti.
So I say, yeah man,
work for your
so
food.
we eat in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Now no food, you can go up on 2 ackee tree, 2 breadfruit tree, something tree.
Yeah.
But you must find 2 food.
In work
Yeah
for
man,
your
that's
food
why we have to
tomorrow.
love the island Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
We have to love it.
Sweat
Best
me.
place.
So the man sweat. Listen, the man sweat for him pot tomorrow.
Yeah man, rice and peas.
With haki and
Ackee
red wine.
red. You know what is that? In Jamaica, not even saltfish, they even nice like red wine.
The man work for him pot.
Yeah, brother.
And worship say him have 6 in that. 6 haki him say. Worship say him work by picking them up. 6, so we boom now go on to.
Yeah man, I'm boom go share.
Oh. So you cook for your boom?
No, I'm going to do same thing, I'm going to do my thing.
Oh.
You know, if you boom, I'm going to do one thing, you can do one thing.
Everybody should.
Run a boat. Run one big boat.
Do one thing, you see me? So how me go to my boom, go to do same thing different from how me do my thing.
Alright.
You see me I say?
Alright then. So the thing takes a charge.
Yeah.
So we have most of the things that's paying for you to get tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna leave so them said less than 25,000. Right? So but I'm gonna leave 25,000. Okay, you have to go take tax to come up with it. So it probably comes to about 23 or so. You know, but when you do so just when I get the receipt so I can make Winstone get the receipt. Yeah, so count that so it's 25,000 more. Yeah, so as soon as they break,
Yeah, tomorrow.
let's head down there. Kenisha, come I beg you please, when them don't make the kids them paint and waste the paint. Like you always see them waste the paint. Me I say when the paint not go on, don't make the kids them waste the paint and paint, yeah?
Yeah.
Because you see, can't afford to lose, for waste no more paint, because it's have to just finish off. Yeah, so yeah, just put the oil pink on the outside, the purple and everything. And then now, and the black, remember, forget the quart black.
Quart black.
Eh?
When the alright, you see when you paint, I say I made them stare in my room until everything is finished. So it make a sense to go back to the paint.
Oh, that's why I said the outside them are paint, you know. Outside them are paint, you know. So outside I go paint.
Yeah.
So please remember the black. Coming back the pan as well too. So the 3 quart, the 3 gallon, and the tin and everything. So just remember when I go tomorrow. So that will cover everything and get it out the way. So first we spend 18,000 and then we'll spend another 6,800 and $800. So in total that it's about 25,000 we spend already, and that's another 25. So that's 50,000 that we spend in total. So Baja will come now. Soon as I get everything now, we just finish up the cover.
Tomorrow the paint about it, so the board, everything there for Baja,
Yeah. So tomorrow if we don't get the paint, they can just even paint the door first. Put that in black. Is me I say so even come up here another morning. So I call one time I go down and make push an idea there.
Money my power.
Yeah man, one day in a week, so I could have
Come on, I can bring them down there.
okay.
I made them come out and make them see. Because my mother down there.
Yeah?
My mother down there, but I come on them there. But I just made them come up on the phone and make it see them.
Oh, man, let's drop here and move.
Cranberry cry.
Cranberry lucky. So Chargy.
Yeah.
So tomorrow then, so show me.
Yeah man, so I'll get the man short then.
Yeah. Alright, so I call Baja and make him know.
Yeah, because you don't have the already. Yeah, you don't have the idea.
The bill?
Yeah, that's true. You have the idea.
Oh. God, 2 receipt them. Give me them.
Receipt.
Yeah, give me them. Got one.
I need to work. Stand up. One bang.
You keep them 2 receipt. Yeah. So big up to our tank Winstone
yes,
again.
a Winstone. Thanks again, I will for blessing man. Holy for honor my teeth man. Holy for blessing man. And more love and joy again. See you way man. Yeah man. I have thank you to see you, brother. See you way.
Yeah, we give all praises to the Almighty,
I know the Father got talk about.
Yeah.
I will give thanks for seeing you man. Every one who I give me the strength.
Yeah, true.
Man. I will give thanks man.
I will give praises. We thank our excellent family that's been reaching out as well. Our excellent family thanking as well too. That's been reaching out. We thank you so much, for always being the support, that kind of support that was needed, So
again man, I never stop man, I can't stop man. I want to hear one.
So you say the foot Chris now?
Yeah man, the foot I come on to man.
Alright.
When you come back again, I show you man, because I'm going to wrap up with it.
Yeah,
when you come back, I show you it, man.
Yeah,
Can't believe. You're supposed to have a video with the first one,
I never do a video with it.
Winstone, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and make you feel blessed to never empty.
Yeah man, so Winstone, we thank you as well too, I say, yeah. So we thank you so much Winstone, and say God bless you. I'm going to give you a call later on, and Winstone say make a promise, and I want to fulfill the promise, and is to finish off this place here, and make sure say them get the tank also, with the pump to get the water up and get everything off. So we're going to finish off the inside, because Winstone already they send the money to purchase the fridge, the stove, the blender, and the microwave, so Winstone already done that already. So that's been waiting, but just because the dad was in and out of hospital. So now, in up and running again, getting back up and running, so I'm fit and ready. So we're going to finish off everything now, it's a go. So let's start the show. So Baja have some free time, so we'll come and just box it off quick and fast. Alright then, Chargy.
Yes, sir.
You know what thing go. Yeah. And Charge the farm going good as well too. The farm looking good. farm even looking good as well too. So I'm going to give, so like I'm going to that direction, I'm going to give Kenisha a lift to come on. You know, that's where UC is, because Cranberry and the kids are down there because she's going to pick them up. So I'm going to give her a lift that direction before we're heading to Trenchtown back. You know, to drop off the members and everything. Where's the boom? The same rice and peas and red ring too? Yeah. Same mission? Same mission. Let's cook one pot and done. Yeah? No? Boom said no man. So Boom want to cook cream pot different 30 girl. My pot different for people.
Cook all Paula rice on Tuesday for Wednesday still.
See you man. Well, like a ackee season right now. So boy, I will cook some Caesar rice too, and then I get some ackee and cook my Caesar rice, you know, with my coconut milk in that, well seasoned up. Hey, don't play with my Caesar rice, I'm season at the back, you know. Season to the bone, so the rice I got seasoned to the grain, you know. Season the rice to the grain, not to the bone. Not to the bone at all. So it's a beautiful day today at the river. You know, worship over there, build up team spliff as usual. You know. So we're going to drop them off a common. Because I pick up Cranberry them always go for our way. Come on. Wow, Boomer shop if the breeze blow, look more that turn down. So when the ackee tree open up, the amount of ackee, you can get off of this tree here. Cheers. See it, right? A butter ackee this thing, you know.
I can come here and come back tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow, man.
Hey, why not go over?
I'm
jump on the front and allow them here come for me.
Stay now. Nanny, pull out your ear. Pull out in the ear. Night food. Eat already? You not left none for me? Let me smell it. And the ayers?
No.
Oh.
Talk about the good still, man.
Fryers.
Take a look up.
That? You say that smell good. Who do want to smell better? When I smell good. You can smell the greenness in that, man, like it want the sun.
But you can't get buy 100 cup and get 2 boots.
Oh.
You can get 2 boots before this.
You say mommy?
Yeah.
Hello, mommy. You go. Yes. Kenisha, mommy. Cranberry, okay. Cranberry, can say cranberry flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see him smile.
Tell them say I cook for them, you see me because we are Westmoreland man something.
Eh?
So I cook for
Which one on West?
I serve.
Oh, Sav. So we done there Sunday.
Right in our spring live man.
Oh yeah? You me? I was at B-Sand Spring. You know B-Sand Spring side, right? Yeah man, I was at them side there. I know my sister Cranberry get the look from you. And the dark skin. Are your complexion she get?
Yeah, yeah.
See you have little tone in a go on. And so good, this is where I come from. Oh. Hello, you see the, you don't say hello to anybody.
Tell him evening, tell him
You wait. You eat all the food already?
Yeah, you put left to go for it. Yeah, no, me and Booma come. Yeah?
See?
So I come to them. There's a come to the wash and so that you can cook, make somebody cook here.
Oh, yeah, come it?
No, man, I tell somebody to cook here.
Okay. So where Cranberry get the granny look from, man. Granny, so where you get the granny look from? Yeah. Look guys, I share our grandma favor, look. You can see. See, that's where she get the look from. And the complexion. Watch her. No, you laugh to see him. Watch her, you shy up for now. See? Mona, come on. Oh, am I coming? How would I? Okay. Alright then, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Miss Cran. The guys at the class. That's good. See your favor, your granny now. See where the look come from. Granny.
Where the Africa color come from.
Yeah. That's why she have the old soul. You,
Yeah, that way.
the old soul.
Sana, you my favorite too.
Remember when you say your friend say when big brother and you?
You know, Cranberry yesterday more. Are you but your kid of Captain Kensha? Give me that shit.
Two class men say, oh, him brown and me in black.
Tell them say your grandmother.
Yeah.
Hey, mama granny.
Yeah, granny in favor. So.
You say feel like you're a boom. Look. You know say?
Yeah, can you pull it up?
So you bring back for me.
Nothing?
So you bring Christmas gift back?
Christmas are done already, miss. Alright, then later.
See you early.
Yeah. And a high five. Shall I go back to West in the morning?
Yes, she said she never bother go up to me.
Okay, Toko. Fine. Granny, alright, later, yeah? Yeah. Alright, now we can see where Cranberry get the resemblance from our grandma. You know? The resemblance from our granny. Really granny. So she have the old soul, you know? So we're here in Common. Common. You know, Common is. Yeah, so we're going to head downtown now. Back into Trenchtown. So you have university over there, the hospital. That's where them cut up charge every time. Experiment place. And we run the experiment on you. So that's a love. Watch you now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch you now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better